Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we are going to see about how to download drag racing game in your MeTV. And all of you are having Apple TV, I think so. If you're not having, means just I have given a download link in the blue description. Just download that APK via in the link and sideload in your MeTV. And after installing this Apple TV, just click on search bar, type drag racing. This is remote control game only. Does not require any gamepad. Anything else does not. You can see this is drag racing. So just click to install. But you need a wireless mouse. Now click install. Okay, now click open. Yeah, it's loading. I muted some parts because due to copyright issues are there in YouTube. So only. Okay, now we want to buy a car. Which car we can buy? Now let's play. Here, for that you should click right navigation button in your remote. It's going. Now click same right navigation button. I think it's little bit boring game, but okay, fine for type pass. Likewise, we should play. You can see. We won. We won, guys. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. And if you're having any queries or doubt, means just ask in the below comment section. Definitely, I will reply. Okay, bye.